Hi friends, today we're going to be talking about Form I-693 medical examination vaccination requirements. I know this is a hot topic for you, especially if you're wondering about the COVID-19 vaccine, and this is really important because this could make or break your case, this step, so you need to get this right. Hi, my name is Ranchod. I am an immigration lawyer, been practicing immigration law for over 21 years, and let's dive into it. If you're applying for a green card in the United States, you have to submit Form I-693, which is a medical exam and vaccination record completed by a specific doctor. What this form does is it shows that you're not inadmissible to the United States. That's a fancy word for you are not prevented from coming into the United States because of a health-related reason. A Form I-693 that is signed by the civil surgeon on November 1st, 2023 or later does not expire and can be used for any immigration benefit application at any time in the future. Of course, there is an exception if a USCIS officer has a reason to believe that the applicant's medical condition has changed since the civil surgeon signed the Form I-693, or that the Form I-693 does not accurately reflect the applicant's medical condition, then the officer has the discretion to request further evidence or a new or updated Form I-693. Now you might be wondering, well, I'm outside the United States. Do I actually need to complete this Form I-693? So the short answer is no. If you apply at a consular post, you will have a medical examination conducted by a Department of State panel physician. Another question you might have is, I want to use my insurance. Can any doctor do this for me? Here, this is extremely important. Only a doctor listed on the USCIS website may perform the exam. You'll see the URL on the video that has the list of civil surgeons that are currently allowed at the time this video is recorded. So your next question might be, well, if I can't use my insurance, how much is this physician going to charge me? Rates do vary by physician, so you want to do your research to compare what different offices charge. When scheduling the appointment, tell the office that it is for an immigrant medical examination. So here it's a one-time service. No physician's going to do a better job in preparing that application than the other one. Now, you got the interview scheduled, you figure out who you want, you got the designated USCIS physician. What should you bring to the interview? You should bring a government-issued photo identification, list of medications you're currently taking, vaccination records, proof of the COVID-19 vaccination, and any other medical record. All right. Got all that, you're ready to go to your appointment. What happens at the appointment? You might be wondering, what are they gonna do to me at this appointment? Well, you're gonna sign the certification at the start of the immigration medical exam to confirm that you agreed to the exam and that all the information you provide about the exam is true. During the medical examination, the civil surgeon will perform tests for communicable diseases of public health significance and screen for certain physical or mental disorders, as well as for drug addiction and abuse. The civil surgeon will also make sure that you have all required vaccinations. When all the testing has been completed, the civil surgeon will sign Form I-693 and put it in a sealed envelope. This is the most important tip out of this entire video, and that is that you do not want to break the seal on the envelope that they give you. If the seal is broken, they will not accept the medical. If you would like a copy, ask your doctor for the copy of the medical exam. Now you might be wondering, when will the Form I-693 medical exam be submitted to USCIS? You may submit the completed medical exam with your green card application or later in a response to a request for evidence. You're going to always want to check with your attorney before mailing anything to USCIS. My personal preference as an immigration lawyer is to mail it with the application. You don't want to have to respond to a request for evidence. Sometimes when you respond to the request for evidence, they lose things, they don't acknowledge that they get them. So it's just better to submit it with your application if possible. Finally, how long is a Form I-693 valid for? A Form I-693 that was properly completed and signed by a civil surgeon on or after November 1st does not expire. Form I-693 completed prior to that time is valid for 2 years from the date the civil surgeon signed it. So this is a very important component here of the green card application. I hope this video serves you. Make sure you subscribe to continue to get these important updates. By watching this video, you're bettering yourself. By bettering yourself, you're bettering your family. And by bettering your family, you're bettering the world. Thank you. Bye for now.